Does your car feel slower as the weather warms up? That's not your imagination. Spring actually exposes hidden problems. After winter, your engine builds up dirt, wear, and airflow issues. And once temperature rise, performance drops. Sign 1. If your car feels slow when accelerating, your airflow may be restricted. Winter dust and debris clog your air intake system. Simple fix: replace or clean your air filter. Sign 2. If your engine feels heavy or sluggish, your MAF sensor may be dirty. Winter dust coats the sensor, giving incorrect airflow readings. Simple fix: clean the MAF sensor. Sign 3. If there's a delay when you press the gas, your spark plugs may be worn. Winter idling causes carbon buildup on spark plugs. Simple fix: replace worn spark plugs. Sign 4. If your car struggles under load, fuel delivery may be weak. Debris in the fuel system restricts fuel pressure after winter. Simple fix: check fuel pressure and replace the fuel filter if needed. Sign 5. If your car feels slower only in warm weather, air density plays a role. Warm air contains less oxygen, reducing combustion efficiency. Simple fix: this is normal, but proper maintenance helps minimize it. Sign 6. If your engine struggles at higher RPM, airflow or fuel flow is restricted. Dirty filters or weak fuel delivery limit performance under demand. Simple fix: inspect intake and fuel system. Sign 7. If your fuel economy drops, your engine is running inefficiently. Dirty sensors and poor combustion increase fuel usage. Simple fix: clean sensors and perform a tune-up. Sign 8. If you have rough idle and sluggish performance, you may have a vacuum leak. Winter freezing can crack hoses and let air leak in. Simple fix: inspect and replace damaged hoses. Sign 9. If your performance keeps getting worse, multiple small issues may be stacking up. Airflow, fuel, and ignition inefficiencies combine over time. Simple fix: perform a full inspection and maintenance check. Most sluggish performance comes from airflow, fuel delivery, or ignition issues. Fix those and your power comes back. If your car feels slow in spring, don't ignore it. It's usually a simple fix before it turns into something bigger. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more signs and symptoms to help keep your car running smoothly, and I'll see you next time.